Alright, we're live for break number 266. If you just saw me put that card in front there, trying out a tip a friend gave me about focusing. Oh, got a trade. I put the video up so that people have time, and then I need to update this trade real quick. Alright, Ravens for Bills. Baltimore Ravens go to Michael Goguen. And the Buffalo Bills go to Crystal Woyanski. Interesting trade of two not very sought after teams. I'm sure they both have their reasons. All right. Eagles for Broncos and Bills for Ravens. Those are the two trades I had. Now this is 2016 Panini Collegiate. We did have a few new people, so I figured a good time to go over break policies. Shipping is the big one. I'm a little bit different than other breakers. I can't get this to focus because I do a lot of single boxes daily. I don't even put shipping in the price. It's $4 to ship any cards that come. That way you can buy into like 4 or 5 breaks in a week if you want and combine them all, and then you don't have to pay that shipping price on every single break. It doesn't totally benefit somebody that's just going to do this box and run, to be honest. The spots would be like 75 cents to $1 more, and everybody would have to chip in on shipping for like 7 cards. So it really helps out on the boxes like 2017 Diamond Kings, where everybody gets a card. If everything's shipped, every spot would be $3 more to accommodate shipping. So that doesn't make sense to me. That's why I leave shipping out. And because of the number of breaks I do, it benefits the people who do more than one. Alright, these players are in collegiate uniforms. My rules on those: retired players with no team specified go to the team they contributed the most to. Players with no team specified will go, if they are current, they'll go into the team in which they started the year of the product went. In this case, it would be 2016. Yeah, Billy, that's part of it. I don't want to... There's no need for you to pay shipping if you just hit some base. But they're your cards, so I save them here and let you ship when you do have something worth shipping. It seems to work out. Some people don't quite get it. I've had a couple, let's say they're mad and I'm trying to rip them off, but truly I'm trying to make it better for you so I have more people buy into the breaks. So I think it works out for everybody. Well, the pulling is all about the luck. I feel like I have had some good. These boxes I really like. The Immaculate Collegiate. Some people are turned off because they're in college uniform. But it seems like they get better quality cards. And we've had some bonus boxes in them. The can, $4 is usual shipping, but I can ship that for $6.50. I've got extra of those. I save them, and then if anybody wants them, I have them. I can fit it in a $6.50 flat rate padded envelope. I have not opened Flawless Billy. Like cases, they don't fill as well in our group, so I've been scared of the price. I thought about it. Alright, everybody, good luck. I don't know if I said that. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm distracted. We're gonna take these out. And put them back here. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one big thick card. I think we got 9 cards. It said we were supposed to receive 6 to 8 cards, 5 to 7 hits, and 1 non-hit. So it's always more than they say in Immaculate Collegiate. That's one of the selling points to me. Matt Jones is our first card. Nice low-numbered card. 8 out of 10. And this is Matt Jones for the Redskins, correct? Playing for the Gators here. Number 8 out of 10. Matt Jones, I feel like there wasn't 2 of them, was there? No, that's the one. Redskins going to Jeff Davis. Yeah, I mean, that would be a huge... On that, to price the Cowboys would be expensive, and to make them random, that would be a huge hit to somebody. Speaking of Cowboys, there's that Dak Prescott you were hoping was in there. Number 2 out of 99. Nice big old patch going to Jason Deal. Nice card. I did not have... Oh boy. That, I apologize for that. Did that bump those cards? I was turned around. That has never happened. I know there's a pretty patch coming out now. And if that hit those cards, I'm really sorry. We'll take a peek at them. I'm sure they're okay. I'm kind of tired. I just got home from my son's baseball game. I coach and it wears me out. 2 out of 99, that pretty looking Dak from Mississippi State. So it did hit the top card is what you're saying. Next card is a really beautiful patches here. This is Eric Dickerson and Emmanuel Sanders. Both for Southern Methodist. That Emmanuel Sanders, 2016, he was Broncos, and Eric Dickerson contributed the most. I think we came up with that last time that it was Rams, but I just want to verify. Yeah, Dickerson tore it up with the Rams and didn't do much after that. So that one will be between Rams and a Broncos. Where is that? I lost my teams all of a sudden. So between Ms. D and who's got the Rams? Mickey Brown. You guys will have a virtual coin flip when we are done. Yeah, really cool patches. This one numbered 24 out of 25. Next card, that's that really big card we were looking at. Devontae Booker, number 1 out of 19, is going to the Broncos. Now, why am I drawing a blank on what kind of patch this is? Guys, help me out. What? It's smeared like it's part of the glass of the face mask. But you say helmet, but it's clear. I'm seeing what it is. Okay. They took the stripe off of the helmet. It's the stripe there. I can't get this to focus well. I've been having phone issues the last 2 days with focusing. I apologize for that. I am working on that issue. Pretty card. Driving me crazy with the phone. They don't make penny sleeves this big. I think that's bigger than 180. Yeah, so this goes in a, put in a team bag for you. For the Broncos, that one going to Ms. D. Madeline. I saw her put we, so I'm assuming that Ms. D and Nikki Santoro getting that card. Is it right you guys collect together? Is there just one collection, or do you guys both have collections? I know my wife likes her Salvador Perez cards, but it's both of our collection. We don't have anything separate. No problem. This card. Sorry for my slowness here. This the focus thing is something I've actually been working on all day. I had a giveaway where I was trying to figure it out. I had a test run earlier. Where are you caught card? Ha! Don't do that. Divorces are never fun for anybody. Alright, moving on. Next card is Wendell Smallwood for the Philadelphia Eagles. Nice looking autograph, number 10 of 99. He is in his West Virginia gear. That one for the Eagles going to, that was Peter Jones. So Peter, you're a trade. Not bad. I mean, you got a good player with an autograph. They got a helmet stripe. Both parties come away with good cards. If you don't collect Smallwood or the Eagles, crud, upside down. I'm not going to touch your card again, though. Chad Bates, I know he collects West Virginia players. Next card is a cool-looking patch. On-card autograph of Jonathan Williams for the University of Arkansas. Rookie patch auto. Jonathan Williams. I got a good idea, but I don't want to say the wrong team. Let me look him up real quick. Yep, that's the team I thought. Is there any other running back? Jonathan Williams from Arkansas for the Buffalo Bills is going to Crystal Boyansky. Mickey from Arkansas wants this card, huh? We'll talk to Crystal Boyansky about that one. Number 20 out of 25. Nice looking card. Alright, 2 cards left. Another rookie patch auto. This one, Christian Hackenberg for the New York Jets. He's in his Penn State gear with a dual color Penn State patch, number 14 out of 99. Going to Michael Goguen. Not the greatest name. Pretty card. And the last card. For the Washington Redskins from TCU, Josh Doctson. Beautiful looking patch, dual color purple and black, 36 out of 99. Going to Jeff Davis. Josh Carpenter would be jealous of that one. He likes him some Josh Doctson. Sorry, Josh. My advice on that, on these boxes, skip a couple and buy 3 spots. Then the odds are you hit something, because you got 1 out of 10 and about 10 cards. That's what I would do. I hate anybody to skunk, but it seems like the best odds are buy 2 or 3, 4 spots. And if you can't afford it, well, skip out on 2 or 3 breaks and then buy in. Let's go review. That's just my thoughts. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. Just I watch you guys buying in. I see some of you buying more than others. I mean, I like you guys to get hits. I like you guys to be happy, so that's just my thoughts on it. Josh Doctson, the random. You're right. My apologies. I was about to go through. We would have got there eventually. Rams versus Broncos. Yeah, Broncos. Let me get a random open. And another one open. Get a list. Top is Rams. So they're in the front spot. Broncos number 2. Get a dice open. Why is there no Packers in these boxes? I don't know. They have some older players in them sometimes. So you got chances at like Aaron Rodgers or Favre, I think. Alright, rolling for 4 or more. 3's not enough. And we're going to go 9 times. Here's your teams. Rams on top, Broncos on bottom. Good luck, you two. I said 9, right? There's 2. Let me peek real quick. 9. So that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good luck. Final roll. 9. Broncos are on top. So, who are the Broncos? Denver Broncos, Mizdi Madeline. Taking that card. Pretty cool one. Billy, yeah. I'll do probably one more. That was Eric Dickerson and Emmanuel Sanders. Sorry, Mickey. I hate seeing bad luck anywhere. If I could find a way to get a 40 hit break that would be somewhat affordable, I would. If we did, it would take forever to fill. What is something in there. This big a helmet stripe here. That was kind of interesting. I've never seen a helmet stripe like that. Whatever that was is still... Alright, let's get this back in here. Here's Devontae Booker for the Broncos. Ooh, Billy, that would hurt. I changed my rules on that one. If you own 51% of the card, you get the card. I've seen that rule elsewhere, and I felt like that was just better to do it that way. Often if you do that, you have paid your share of the break. That one was Wendell Smallwood autograph there. Then this one, Jonathan Williams. For the Bills. Price of the next break at this time of night. I don't know when to break. I don't have a ton of baseball. I'm stocked up on football right now. Very well. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about that. Christian Hackenberg for the Jets, RPA. I've got some old Crown Royale that could be really low priced. Big football box with a lot of cards. I think I only got one of those. Billy wants more Immaculate. Mike saying same thing. Another Immaculate. I did actually buy a case of this Collegiate Immaculate because it's been my favorite project. I bought a case of Collegiate Baseball Immaculate also. They always have bonus cards. Why not? I've got Jumbo Prism for football. That's the one where they have a lot of cards. And I got some old Crown Royales. Got some Black Gold and Lux. And one old playbook. I don't have no hockey. If Billy, if you're another one in hockey, I've got a couple of you, but I don't know hockey at all. So I'd be doing it, and I would not know any of the players. Prism with a Royal, you just want to open packs, huh, Brett? I'm seeing more for the Immaculate. Mario says Mixer. The only thing with Mixer, we might have trouble filling this late. Who got the Dachshund for the Redskins? Jeff Davis. Yeah, Wayne Gretzky. That's about the only player I know, too. Mike says $2 Mixer. I gotta find the right price because this time of night, if we get like $10, it might not fill. The Immaculate, I gotta go 7. I trimmed that as close as I could. I'll find something. Give me a few minutes and we'll put something up. 2012, Mike. I think I've got something 2012. I have Crown Royal from 2010 and 2011. I thought those would be interesting. I've got Black Gold from 16 and I've got an older Black Gold. That's just 2015, not that old. I have a 2012 playbook is what I picked up. That's what I grabbed, Mike. I don't know who it would have. I haven't looked at the checklist or anything, but it wasn't a bad price. So I grabbed that just to take a peek at it, see what was in it. You get more hits. I believe you get all 4 hits. 1 booklet, 1 rookie autograph, 1 memorabilia card, and 1 other auto or memorabilia card. And the current playbook, I think you just get 3 hits. And this was either the same price or a tad cheaper. Highest end box, I don't know if we'd fill it, Billy, but I don't have, they're all about the same. Black Gold, Immaculate, Lux, Panini Prism Jumbo, 2016. I didn't go with any crazy high end in this shipment. National Treasures, Spectra, those are about the highest I go, and I don't have any on those right now. I went kind of Immaculate heavy. I even have 2 regular baseball Immaculate. Oh, highest end. This is barely higher than everything else. That would be the highest. 2017 Tribute. I only grabbed 1 of those this time. But it's too late. Dad, I'll be around all day tomorrow. I ain't got nothing to do. So let me... Sounds like Immaculate. Black Gold's been mediocre. We pulled Ben Roethlisberger and Adrian Peterson autograph in the same box last time. I've got a couple big Black Gold fans, so that's why we do that sometimes. We'll pop out on Immaculate or something like that. I'll try to figure something out. Brett, I'll have Crown Royal tomorrow. Promise. Seemed like you were outnumbered here. I'm bleeding. I picked the scab and scratching my leg. See you guys later. I'm getting off the thing. We could chat all night and we wouldn't get a break posted. So I'll see you guys in a bit.